National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Henderson County in western Tennessee, southwestern Benton County in western Tennessee, southeastern Carroll County in western Tennessee, northwestern Decatur County in western Tennessee, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Parker's Crossroads, or 9 miles southwest of Huntington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Natchez Tree State Park, Natchez Tree State Forest, Wildersville, Parker's Crossroads, Clarksburg, Howley, Westport, Taylor, Parker's Crossroads, Dollar, Jumbo, Scott Hill, Holiday, Leach, Tate, Palmer Shelter, and Yuma. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Benton, Carroll, Decatur, and Henderson. The current